Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to verify an Ascendex app. So if you are new, please subscribe and let's move on. So all you just need to do, make sure you have the app downloaded and head into your dashboard. So before I take you to the verification space, I would like to show you the backgrounds of the app. You can see home, wallet, market. You can swap as well, you can buy, you can earn. And this earning means on this place you can as well map, you can as well you can as well mine. So if you see my dashboard, you can see a lot of thousands of Ascendex there. So all you just need to do, look at some of those views. You can see a lot of coins are here for trading. Okay, you can see the deposit, the withdrawal, and the orders. I'll drop a video concerning that. You can see the award BTC alert, you can got it, and there's a lot you can do here. So click on verify. Let's move on. We are going to do identity verification here now. Okay, so your basic information. To complete the verification process, please ensure that the information you provide is correct. Okay, to complete also verification process, please ensure that the information you provided matches the information on your ID document. Okay, so don't use any name. All you just need to do, fill in the space. After filling this space, choose your country. I'm doing this from Nigeria. You can choose your own country as well. Put in your date of birth. Okay, your name, your surname, your date of birth, and the others. Just fill in this space. Okay, just fill in this place and let's move on. We're doing everything together. So, and if you still do have any question, please leave it at the comment section. I will get to you immediately. So in this place, you put your ID number. I intend to use our. So in this place, you just need to upload the ID card back and front. So you take the picture of the ID card, front and back, okay, and upload it. So it says upload your ID document and photo. Please make sure the ID documents are real and valid. Okay, after that you do your face verification. I'm doing my face verification now. Okay, you put the camera on your face, your front camera on your face. Make sure your faces matches the box that it will be displaying to you. So this is the last stage. Make sure your face matches the box that it will be displaying to you. If it's too close, you take it back. If it's too far, bring it closer a little until it works out. Okay, I just did that. Now it's verifying. Okay, so you hold on. Once it's verified, you come back to your application. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to remind you again to like my video, share my video, and as well, if you are new, please subscribe. Okay, if you do have any question, leave it at the comment section and I'll get to you immediately. Thank you.